Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello students, how are you today? I hope you are feeling good. Today in math lessons, we will talk about tree diagrams. Okay, without further ado, let's check this out. What is tree diagrams? Tree diagrams is a way of classifying a group of objects. Tree diagrams, or sometimes we called branching database, is a diagram shape so that each branch shows a possible outcome. We will be asked a series of questions, each of which must be answered yes or no. And then only one of the choices matches your answers and the object is identified. This is one of the example of tree diagrams of animal. Let's do this one together. Let's investigate. This tree diagram is missing the question text. What questions could have sorted this number? Have to think about this question first. What do the two numbers on the left have in common? So 6 and 8, what do they have in common? 9 and 7, what do they have in common? Let's see, 6, 8, 9, and 7. Yes, 6 and 8 are even. How about 9 and 7? Yes, they are not even, or there is another name for that. They are odd numbers. Right. Now, how are they different from the two numbers on the right? So, let's see. 6 and 9. What 6 and 9 have in common? What number is that? Is it related to multiple of another numbers? Great, it's multiple of 3. So, based on our finding, we can complete this tree diagram like this. 6, 8, 9. So the top is the number even? So 6 and 8 are even. 9 and 7 are odd. And then is it multiple of 3? And this one is the same questions. Okay, copy this one to your notebook. Parallelogram. In parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. This one equal. Opposite sides are equal. And opposite sides also parallel. So this one, when you extend the line, example, this line, extended the line, and then you will extend the line will not meet with each other. So this one is also parallel. And rhombus, the opposite sides are parallel. This one parallel with this one, while this sides parallel with this sides. And all sides are equal. Square, in square, all sides are equal. 1, 2, 3, 4. Opposite sides are parallel and all angles are right angles. This one is right angles. This one is right angles. So there are 4 right angles in square. Rectangle. Same with the square. Rectangles also has 4 right angles. 1, 2, 3, 4. Opposite sides are equal and parallel. So this one are parallel. This one also the same. This one has equal length and also parallel. Kite. Kite is a quadrilateral that one pair of opposite sides are equal and 2 pairs of adjacent sides are equal. Trapezoid. Trapezoid has one pair of opposite sides that are parallel. So this side parallel with this sides. This one is not parallel because when you extend the line, it will meet each other. These are another shapes of 2D shapes. There are triangle, quadrilateral, pentagon that has 5 sides, hexagon there are 6 sides, heptagon have 7 sides, octagon have 8 sides, nonagon have 9 sides, and decagon have 10 sides. Let's see number 1. Copy this tree diagram, draw and name a shape at the end of each final branch. Is it a quadrilateral? Yes. Are all the sides equal length? So yes, let's see the yes first. And then at least one right angle. You know, the quadrilateral that has the sides all equals are rhombus and square. So if it is yes, we can fill with square. But if it is at least one, there is no right angle. Quadrilateral that doesn't have the right angle is a rhombus. But square and rhombus, both of them have the sides that are all equal. Now let's see. Are all the sides equal length? No. There are so many quadrilateral that does have all the sides not equal. And then at least one right angle. Let's see, it can be, if it is yes, it will be a rectangle. And if it is no, it will be a kite. Now let's see the one that is not a quadrilateral. It is not a quadrilateral, so there are so many. Before I show you, there are triangles, pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, octagon, nonagon, and decagon. Are all the sides equal length? All of the regular polygon have the sides that are equal. Is it a triangle? If it is a triangle, there is a special name for a triangle that has all the sides are the same. It's equilateral triangle. And if it is not a triangle but all the sides are equal, there are so many options. You can fill pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, octagon, nonagon, or decagon. This one is the regular pentagon. If it is regular, it means all the sides are equal. Let's see, if the sides are not equal, no. Is it a triangle? So there is a special name for a triangle that not all the sides are equal. There are 2 sides. You can fill isosceles triangle or scalene triangle. Isosceles only have 2 sides that are equal, where scalene have all the sides are not the same. But if it is not a triangle, let's see, not a triangle, so you can fill with the irregular hexagon, irregular pentagon, irregular heptagon, or irregular octagon, or any irregular polygon can fit into these answers. You may copy this to your learner's book, later take a picture of it. But for number 2, we will see the material first. After that, you have to do it on your own. Okay? You may see these properties of 3D shapes. It will help you to answer number 2 because you have to sort the 3D shapes by seeing the number of faces, the shapes of the faces, the number of edges, and the number of vertices. You may see in the cone there are 2 faces. It's 1 edge and 1 vertex. Sphere has 1 face, 1 edge, and 0 vertices. Tetrahedron have 4 faces. All of them are triangle. Have 6 edges and 4 vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 vertices. Cuboid has 6 faces, 12 edges, and 8 vertices. 1, 2, 3,
4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cylinder have 3 faces, 2 edges, and 0 vertices, while cube has 6 faces, 12 edges, and 8 vertices. Triangular prisms has 5 faces. All of 3 of them are rectangle, 2 of them are triangle, 9 edges, 6 vertices. Square base pyramid has 5 faces, 8 edges, and 5 vertices. You may take a look on your notebook. We have discussed about the properties of 3D shapes by making the table for the faces, edges, and the vertex. You may see from your notebook to complete the 3 diagrams on number 2. Okay, you can do it on your own by sorting the questions, which one that is needed. That's all math lessons for today. Don't forget to do the assignment. It's page 104 and page 105, Learner's Book, number 1 and number 2. Thank you for your attention. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and stay healthy, everyone. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.